So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made over 4,000 per week on clickbank. And again, it's a tutorial and it's going to be step by step. So guys, let's get started. So before I begin, guys, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, simple, straightforward way. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, let me ask you one thing, what time it is. It's time to make money. So as you could see on my screen, right? Yeah, so again, I'm refreshing, so people who think I am kidding or joking, that's how it is, right? So I'm going to show you the exact strategy on how I made this much amount of money every week passively, and it's a simple step. If you just follow it, you're going to make money, right? First thing is, first all you have to do is just click on marketplace. Again, just click over here, click on view all offers, or you can literally go on top offers. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to select Alpaline or we are going to select Ikera juice. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on affiliate page, promote, create a hop link. Okay, and now again, everything is there, the copy ideas are there. Okay, everything is there. If you want keywords, demographics are also there, like what demographics are converting. So you could see 50% male, 50% female, tier 1 countries. The age group is 35 plus, again, conservative, rural, mid, western, right? And all the copy ideas are there. And this is my landing page. One is this landing page. This is a short form landing page. And this is a long form landing page where they tell you life changing medical student, blah, 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 blah. All the testimonials. Again, this one on Google Ads will take you some time because if you have a new Google Ads account, there might be possibilities they might ban you. But again, if it's an old Google Ads account, they will be able to help you, and it's with a spin. And once you spin, and you're going to get to the offer. And it doesn't have to be clickbank, it can be any other product as well. I'm just showing you an example. And also guys, even if you look over here, not this one, let's say 7-second read, you can literally copy this copy ideas and you can make your own landing page as well, right? Because again, you need to make it 10% better. So where did it go? So for example, you can do this one as well, like common yard weed, male 62 lbs of flab. And also you can change the image, it should match both of them. Or other things which you could do is just go on email creative. Once you do on email creative, where is email creative, right? Okay, once I click over here, it opens up, and then you can literally do the same thing over here. You can make a landing page out of the email creatives, and it converts really well, guys. I thought it's not gonna do it, but once I tried it, it does well, right? Again, so this one looks really good as well. Or what we could do is this one, ring this before 10 p.m. to speed up. Okay, and you can just do this one. Okay, so even this looks really good, right? Like, look at this. Okay, so you can create your own landing page. And for the keywords, guys, what you need to do is, as I told you in my previous video, all you have to do is just contact the seller and they would give you the keywords. And there are times where there are keywords on the affiliate page, you just need to check. So if I come over here, you see you can download the keywords over here. So all the keywords are over here with the bid amount. Okay, once you know the keywords, for now I don't know the keywords over here. Once you know the keywords, all you have to do is do a little manual spying, so you know if some people are running, it's converting or not. So we can do some manual spying, and it's very simple to do manual spying. So all you have to do is just come on over here. It's a local and international Google search. Okay, all you have to do is how to lose brown fat for weight loss. Again, how did I get this keyword? There were times where one of the affiliate like one of the product owner gave me this keyword and it was converting as well. So as you could see, brown fat for weight loss, if I click over here, so again, see, so again, this could be your landing page as well. And I'm really sorry if this is your ad, I spent your money, but again, this is just for you, to teach you on how you could do it. Once you know this thing, now literally all you have to do is just create the ads. So all you have to do is just go on ads.google.com, sign up and everything. Once you do that, you just need to click on create new campaign. Once you do that, you're going to come over here. Now, all you have to do is just click on website traffic, because you need to push traffic to the website. That's it. Don't focus on this again. Just click on website traffic, click on continue, click on search. Okay, we want search, right? Just leave this as it is, test. Just gonna do the test right now. Okay, start new. Okay, then now we are focusing on clicks, and once you get a lot of conversions, then you can create a new campaign with conversions, and you know that if $10 are getting you one conversion, and you can optimize towards that, and it's going to make your life much easier. But at the beginning, all you have to do is just go on clicks. Okay, again, depends, right? So you need to check your keyword planner. All you have to do is just go on keyword planner. For example, I'm gonna take this BROWN, right? I'm gonna take this keyword, I'm gonna search the volume, paste it over here, get started. I'm gonna select my tier 1 countries, which is United States. Okay, target over here, search. Once I do that, so I know it's 0.67. So once you know it's 0.67, so I wouldn't even mind paying 0.70, right? So 0.70, 0.70, click on next. Okay, now everything is good. Enter your location. Now what location you need to put? The location which was shared over here: Australia, Canada, United States, New Zealand, Western Europe, Northern Europe. And literally, trust me, focus on these countries, right? They're gonna make much more money because the competition is much less. But for demo purposes, what I'm gonna do is just gonna type United States. Okay, and then the language, it's English, it's fine. And also one more thing, right? Where did it go? Yeah, so let's say for example, in Australia or Western Europe, they speak a different language. If it's Mexico and you know Spanish, it's going to be really good. If it's France, if you know French, it's going to be really good, right? Take everything to your advantage, use your strengths, right? uh okay, so here we are, English. Go on next. What's more setting? No, ignore this. Okay, just select United States, and when you choose your networks, only select this one. That's it. Okay, click on next. Once you click on next, for example, I'm gonna type this one for now. Okay, but they'll give you all the list of keywords, right? What's happening? It got stuck. Yeah, okay, paste it. Okay, now once this is done, for now I'm gonna just paste this one for now, but you need to create your own landing page, and then the ad copy: brown fat for weight loss, increase weight loss naturally. Okay, for losing weight, LO, losing weight. Okay, yeah, you don't have to copy it. Two reasons for that: it's not ethical, plus you need to make the ads 10% better, right? So it will convert more, and and then you can use this one as well. Go back over here on the landing page. Brown fat for 15-second weight loss, which okay, once that's done, now all you have to do is just put your, okay, I'm gonna put this over here, description. Okay, that's it, natural blend of healthy weight loss, and just do done. Right now, once you're done, you can just click on next. Okay, daily budget $5. I would start with $100, but like, okay, $100, right? And I would add more keywords as well, because over here it shows you don't have a lot of keywords. Okay, but I'm gonna do just one, like $100. And if I go on keywords, okay, I would suggest, if I go back on brown fat, where are more keywords? Okay, just copy this for now. But again, keywords always take from the product owner, because they know what's converting, what's not converting. Okay, now next. So again, I'm gonna get 23 clicks, right? So again, you need to add more keywords. Once you do next, Okay, you just need to review it, and that's gonna be done, and that's gonna be it. And this is how you start making ads and start making money. But there's always a but, right? The real truth is you need to create 5 campaigns, which is 5 products. From those 5 products, 4 would be unsuccessful. Only 1 would start making you money. Okay, once that starts making you money, then you can optimize it. Okay, and then you can scale that up, and that's how you're going to start making money. Okay, so it's not just you find one product and you start running it and you're going to be profitable. For some people, they might get lucky, but for some, again, you need to test. And for me, I was much more unlucky, right? I always try anything, I fail, I learn, and then I try to improve it. So like if you run a product and you don't get sales, don't worry guys, try another product with $100 budget. And once you start making money, you can optimize it and start making money. Okay, so this is how it is. And if you really like the video, please consider subscribing. Also, if you want to ask me anything, please follow me on Instagram and ask over there. And again, if you want to check out my free course, uh, just check it out. It goes step by step on how you can create an ad and much more in detail. So go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off, and I would see you next time. Thank you.